Ever wonder how famous YouTubers like Alex Hormozi or Iman Gadzhi are pumping out those high-quality shorts like a content machine while you're here investing hours, even days, juggling scripts, editing, and design tools and still not getting anywhere close to their quality? Well, the truth is, you're working the hard way, not the smart way. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can create scroll-stopping short videos in just seconds using ChatGPT and Canva. And no, you don't need any editing experience, fancy software, or even a script of your own. It's that easy. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open up Chat. If you're using GPT-4, even better. But honestly, any version will work. Now in the chat box, type something like, "Write me a 30-second video script in a motivational tone for people who want to start a business but are scared of failure." In less than 10 seconds, boom, you've got your script. And not just any script, but one that's engaging, emotional, and perfectly built for attention spans online. You can tweak it, make it personal, or even ask for it in a different tone like funny, dramatic, or cinematic. Total control is in your hands. Now, step 2. Jump over to Canva.com. If you're not using Canva yet, you're seriously missing out. Type TikTok video or Instagram reel in the search bar and pick any template that matches your vibe, motivational, techie, aesthetic, you name it. Click into the template, and now all you have to do is paste your script from ChatGPT onto the slides or timeline. Canva's video editor makes this stupid simple. You can add animations, transitions, effects, and even AI-generated voiceovers if you want. Want B-roll footage? Canva's got a whole stock library of videos and photos. Want background music? Done. Want subtitles? Auto-generate them in one click. You don't need Adobe Premiere? You don't need Final Cut. Canva literally does everything inside one browser tab. And the best part, once you're done, just click download and upload it straight to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, whatever platform you're on. That's it. No headache, no hours wasted, just straight up smart content creation. Now tell me that's not powerful. With ChatGPT to write for you and Canva to design and edit, you just turned a complicated multi-step process into a 10-minute job max. So next time you see a creator dropping daily videos, you'll know the secret. It's not a team of editors or a $500 camera setup. It's smart tools and smart system. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and drop a comment below saying smart, not hard. So I know you're one of the smart creators now. And if you want a full playlist of quick AI content creation hacks, hit subscribe because I'm dropping those gems every single week. Thanks for watching, and go create something amazing fast.